साहब 10 बरस से बीआरएस की हुकूमत थी, तो उन्होंने क्या किया? तो मैं मेरे कांग्रेस के मेरे दोस्तों से ये बात कहना चाहूंगा, लर्नड फ्रेंड्स से मेरी ये बात कहना चाहूंगा कि जब कांग्रेस भी थी 10 बरस, तो औकाफी जायदादें तबाह व बर्बाद होती नहीं। मैं याद दिलाना चाहूंगा कि हजरत हुसैन शाह वली रहमतुल्लाह अलैह की दरगाह की 1600 चिल्लर एकड़ आराजी, जहां पर लैंको है, जहां पर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट है, जहां पे आईएसबी है, जहां पर विप्रो है, ये वक्फ की लैंड थी। और इन सभी सारे जमीनात को इन मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज को हवाले करने वाले कोई और नहीं बल्कि कांग्रेस थी। सर, द लैंड वॉज गिवन फॉर अ IT डेवलपमेंट पर्पज, सर, बट सर द लैंको हैज नॉट डेवलप्ड एनी IT. The Lanco has constructed residential apartments over there. It's not an IT park. Sir, I have the GO with me. Clearly it states that the land to Lanco has been allotted for a purpose of IT development. Where has the IT been developed? So the matter was sub judice. High Court, I went to the High Court. I fought the case, I won in the High Court. Later on we have appealed in the Supreme Court. But the state government never supported the claim, and due to negligence of the Waqf board and the pressure of the government on the learned, the councils which were there who were fighting the case on behalf of Waqf board, the Waqf board had lost the case, sir. तो मैं बताना यह चाहता हूं कि हर वक्त अगर नुकसान हुआ तो किसका हुआ? We take pride and we will take pride. In the high-tech city, we will take pride, Microsoft being in our state in Hyderabad. We will take pride in Wipro being here. We take pride in the expansion of Gachibowli. But sir, the fact remains that 1,600 and change acre of land was a Waqf land, sir. And the governments have failed to protect the Waqf land, sir. Not only that, sir. Sir, you would be surprised, sir. Everybody, whenever the government comes, one wanted to name the international airport in the name of, when TDP came, they wanted to name the airport by N.T. Rama Rao. When the Congress came, they named it after Rajiv Gandhi. But sir, who is the owner of the land? The Waqf board is the owner of the land. Hazrat Baba Sharfuddin Sahab Pahadi's Waqf land, sir. Waqf land, sir. From that Waqf land, 900 acres were taken and an airport was started or constructed or developed, I would say, sir. तो मैं बताना यह चाहता हूं कि लैंड और रेवेन्यू के बारे में हर वक्त गुफ्तगू होती है, लेकिन मुसलमान तो 1948 से अपने जमीनात को खोता रहा और आज भी खो रहा है। मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत की तवज्जो इस बात पे लाना चाहता हूं कि आज भी औकाफ की जायदादें तबाह बर्बाद हो रही हैं। Sir, when I talk about Microsoft or when I talk about ISB, when I talk about IMG, sir, I would like to say that we are not against Microsoft coming. We are not against Wipro coming. We are not against anybody. The only submission which I am making from years and years is that, sir, that these are the lands which belongs to the Waqf board. Kindly protect this land. Give the due share to the Muslim Waqf board. Lekin ये नहीं हो रहा है, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, I will give all the details, sir. Sir, in the land reform in AP and also in Telangana, sir, from our viewpoint, sir, a more disturbing trend is that both, sir, let it be both, I would say three parties, sir, whether it is Congress, whether it is TDP in United AP, and then TRS, BRS, and now Congress in Telangana have merrily allotted large extents of government land running into thousands of acres to various individuals, Indian companies and multinational corporations in the name of promotion of industries, pharma and biotech units, information technology and IT-enabled services and special economic zones, sir. And in this, the major chunk of land which have been allotted are the Waqf, sir. Waqf land, sir. Sir, if I may recall, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, the then Chief Minister, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, had allotted a prime land to many units, including IMG, sir, for a song, I remember, sir, I was there in the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly then, when Mr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy Saab was the Chief Minister, and the Congress then raised an objection, and we had a very big debate on the land allotment made to IMG, sir. Sir, the successive Congress CMs in United Andhra Pradesh has also allotted 100 of acres and various units, including the Fab City, and even the BRS government has allotted thousands of acres of the land, sir. Sir, when I just spoke about IMG, sir, I would like to bring to your kind notice, and I'm sure the Honorable Revenue Minister Saab and the Revenue Department might be aware of this. Sir, we had a very big debate, sir. Then, when Mr. Rajshekar Reddy Saab was the Chief Minister, on the allotments made by the Telugu Desam government. And then the matter was challenged in the court, and it was going on from then. From then, when Mr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy was the Chief Minister, sir, on 8th of March 2024, Telangana High Court has given a judgment stating that the land allotted to IMG, Bharata, is not right and not proper. 850 acres are supposed to be returned to the government, and the High Court has given a judgment stating that the state government should take the possession of this land. Now we are in August. April, May, June, July. 4 months have passed. Are we waiting for IMG to go to Supreme Court and get a stay? Or are we going to go and take the possession of that land? We have to take it, sir. I hope and I believe that the government is acting, the Revenue Department is acting on it, and has started the process of taking over the land. At the same time, sir, through you, I would like to make a submission and a request, sir. The Revenue Department and the government should file a caveat, sir, in Supreme Court, so that no stay is been given to them before listening to the stand of the state of Telangana, sir. This is my submission and my request, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, when I was speaking about the Waqf land, sir, in Manikonda, also of Dargah Hussain Shah Wali, still there are vacant lands. I don't know what is the proposal that the government has for those lands, sir. And also, sir, Baba Sharfuddin Dargah, sir, the land which has been given for the airport, sir, lot of vacant land is there which belongs to the Waqf board. So the problem is that, sir, it was said and it was mentioned that the land which has been taken for this international airport, the debate happened in the House when late Rajshekar Reddy Saab was the Chief Minister. I had given all the documents, all the records and everything. Sir, it was stated that a compensation was given to Nizam estate because the owner was Nizam. But sir, when the government says that they have paid a compensation and that land belongs to Nizam estate, no sir, that land never belonged to the Nizam estate. Then sir, I still remember the Nizam estate people were called in assembly in hall number 2, and they were asked whether a compensation was given. If it was given, the government treasury has to release an amount. Where is the challan receipt? Where is the check number? The government then failed to produce any evidence with which they could prove that they have made a compensation amount to Nizam Trust, who was not the owner. Sir, then I still say that Rajshekar Reddy was a very great leader. He called me and he said, Akbar, you're right. Sir, I said, sir, what land has been allotted? Okay, sir. But what land, if I have to go by with what the government officials, revenue officials are saying, a compensation was paid and few chunk of the land was not acquired. Where is that land? सर यू वुड बी सरप्राइज सर, दरगाह बाबा शरफुद्दीन साहब बोल के नाम लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन दरगाह और हजरत की जहां पे खबर है, उनकी जहां पे मजार है, वेयर ही इज रेस्टिंग, दैट वाज आल्सो नॉट देयर इन द वक्फ रिकॉर्ड. Rajshekar Reddy called and he said, Dargah is not there. Include that. Okay, fine. Let us fight this. Where the land belongs to the Nizam Trust or the government or the Waqf Board. But still, what extent of land was acquired, after that the remaining land should be with the Waqf Board. And it was then